my last video in not 3 months time. I want to say thank you guys for all the really positive comments on the last video. It's quite humbling and quite overwhelming as well, because you know, it's just me like just fiddling around with the car, and you know, YouTube is, well, especially in the comment section, can be pretty brutal, and it's all positive, which is so cool. So obviously doing something right. I just like, yeah, all I want to do is just build stuff and have fun doing it and share it with you guys. That's all I want to do really. And if it goes any further than that, then that's awesome. If I can, you know, do it, you know, on a more regular basis, that'd be amazing. So anyway, right, what we're going to do now is I'm going to work. Going to get the SVX. The SVX is going for an MOT, so it's going to be road legal. So it's currently insured. I need to get it MOT'd and then taxed. So obviously you know what insurance is. So if you're not in the UK, MOT is a yearly thing you have to do. It's like an inspection to make sure that nothing's broken, or if something is like on its way out and you know, it needs replacing. It's like a safety check to just make sure, yeah, it's all good. You need to do that every single year. Once that's done, I can tax the car. Now with tax, there's different tax brackets depending on the engine size and pollution that your car puts out, so you've got to tax it, and then it's good to go. Yeah, so what we're going to do is, yeah, go to the unit. I've kind of prepped the car to travel down to the MOT station, and then we'll take it back to the garage. So yeah, it's pretty exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time. It should be fine. Last time I drove the car was 2016, I think. Maybe, could be wrong. So yeah, it definitely needs a good run. Yeah, should be interesting. Right, here we go. Now, at my work, there are 3 giant speed bumps. That's one. That's one. Here's number 2. Yeah, well, I've got to paint the bumper, so it's fine. Currently on, what are we at? 76 psi, so that's pretty high on the front anyway. One more, and then we are free. God, usually there's no one around in the industrial estate on a Saturday. Okay, right, so we're clear of that one. So yesterday, double checked everything. I it's got number plates on it, all the headlights working, everything. Double check the tyre pressure. What else do I do? Checked all the bolts, make sure everything's alright. Got to go put some fuel in it, definitely. It's probably going to steer like absolute crap, because all the stuff I've done to it, all the tow and everything's going to be way out. Guarantee it. So let's see what this is like. Oh, its steering wheel's definitely not straight. Yeah, that's really not straight. Actually, the ride's alright. This is actually quite comfortable, considering the PSI is fairly high in the bags. I've got it in full like manual mode at the moment, so I can adjust everything, every bag individually. I think the bag on the driver's side front it's got a slow leak in it. So I have to sort it out. This is alright. Like, I've been really worrying about this, just because obviously I haven't driven it for a long time. Where are the indicators? They're on the right. Yes, they're on the right where they should be. Cool. Right, put some fuel in it. back. Okay, we're good to go. We're going, got fuel. Only put 20 quid in, which is probably not going to make a difference at all, because I think the tank's huge in this thing. And the fuel gauge hasn't really moved. Nope, not really. Well, at least the fuel light's off. So what we're going to do, obviously, is go down, get the MOT, and then take it back to my garage. And then once it's there, we can mess around probably and get it ready. It actually drives great. I was so worried. It drives really well, despite the steering wheel not being straight at all. Yeah, it's actually really comfortable compared to the Brat as well. I mean, I was half expecting like it to be like really bone shaking. Obviously the PSI will probably go down, but it definitely will go down when I'm driving normally, not going over massive speed bumps. So it'll be about 20 PSI less, 20, 15 PSI I would have thought. So it'll be way more comfortable. I literally kind of guessed it with the adjustments on the shocks, the rebound and dampening. I put them on about 10 or 12 clicks, I think. So nothing too crazy. So it's running really well. Bags are good. Pressure is good. So I was worried about that one bag losing pressure, but it actually hasn't lost pressure. Well, maybe 1 PSI. That. I think that's right. Yeah, this is cool. Nothing's fallen off, which is even better. Nothing's whistling. Pleasantly surprised. Right, so MOT's all passed now. Bird in the road, get out of the way. Yeah, it's all good. So I'm going to take the car back to the workshop now, and then yeah, that'll be it. So I'll tax it when probably at the start of next month. There's no point in taxing it this month because I probably won't be using it this month. I'll just probably be messing around with it and getting all the rest of the bodywork all done. Right, so just about made it back, a few corners away from the workshop. Right, moment of truth. Nope, braking a bit hard. Cleared it. We're all good. We're all good. I think we just did enough. I think that noise is the exhaust. I think. Right. Cool. Right, we'll get the Brat out. Hopefully that starts. Okay, so both cars are back in the garage, obviously now. It's a bit tighter than I remember it being, but it's all good. We've got both cars back. So that's going to be it for this video. A bit of a weird video, but next video we'll be doing some more bits on the SVX, obviously. Kind of starting tidying bits up, all the little loose ends that I need to do to get it ready for the show season. So yeah, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please do. See you guys real soon. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.